Hi, this is Noah at Health and Balance, and today I'm going to show you some tips to foam roll your back. To begin with, I want you to sit on the foam roller. Now if you have lower back problems, then I want you to have your bottom down here. Place it on. What I want you to do is walk with your feet down the roll. Let your hips slide off. Come down the roll until you feel a tightness in your shoulders. This is where you transition. Your hands come back to support your head and your hips come up. I never want patients going this way. You want to keep your stomach tight and roll your back out always with this type of a curve. Because if you're not, then your back's in flexion and your back's keeping you up. That's not what we want to do. We want your back to relax and to be able to release. You have your erectors that go all the way up and down, and you have your lats, really strong muscles. So if you're not feeling enough pressure, you can put all of your weight on one side of the foam roller and roll that whole length. You do 5 rolls on that side, go to the other side, 5 rolls on this side. And that's it.